Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2019 Mustang Coupe Premium in race red with ebony leather black seats that are seating for 4. This is a 2-door because it's a coupe, and it's also a fastback. The seats split down in a 50-50. And as well, it's a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine. It's a rear wheel drive. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here. There's a little bin that you can put items in, and as well there's a release for the trunk. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it you have your media with volume control, cruise control, dash controls, as well as hands-free dialing, and you also have navigation. When we start up the vehicle, we just put our foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and push the engine start-stop button. You'll also notice on the steering wheel that there are paddle shifters to the left and the right. And then on the dash, we can toggle through the menu. Right now we're seeing how many kilometers to empty, as well as the odometer reading. In the center we have a display screen, and we're looking at the settings right at the moment. You can slide through for different options like Bluetooth, automatic updates, display, so forth. In your audio, you can touch on there as well, and this is where you have your sources for AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You've also got your navigation, so you have a map and can find where you're going very easily. And as well, you have your climate control again that you can touch on, and you have a heated steering wheel, and there's your AC, as well as the dual climate control for driver and passenger. This is also where you're going to see your backup camera view when you put the vehicle in reverse. So there's your volume and tuner for your media. There's the heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. So you can do it on the screen. You can also do it here. There's your AC and max AC. And below that, your engine start stop, which I push to start the engine. Hazard lights, traction control. Here's the steering wheel feel. So when you press on that, you're going to see it normal steering, press again, sport, comfort, and then back around again. And then you have drive mode, which is the toggle right before. You're seeing it to the left there, normal, sport, sport plus, track, and then it gives you the options for the track feel, drag strip, that's kind of cool, and then snow wet, and then back to normal. You have an automatic shifter, your emergency parking brakes right beside you. You also have your cup holders here, and there's ambient lighting, and the light will be in there. You can open up the armrest from either the driver or passenger side, and there's a USB and 12 volt, as well as storage. Off to the side is a locking glove compartment. You have an auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, and there's lighting controls as well in the center here. 18-inch wheels, body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the key's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. There's driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. There's a deck lid spoiler on the trunk, dual exhaust, and you also have backup sensors on your bumper, and your backup camera is located above the pony. When you're ready to open up the trunk, you can do so with a double click of the fob. You can also release it from inside the vehicle, and so it makes it easier to get in. Then you just lift up from the bottom. It's nice and roomy and carpeted, and then when you're ready to close everything up, simply put your hand on the top, pull down, and it's securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Being a 2-door coupe, I powered the seat ahead and brought the back of the seat forward. You now have access to the 2 seats in the rear. This is called a fastback, and it has a 50-50 split rear seat, so you just pull the tab, you now have access to the trunk, and then easily push it back up, and it flips back into position. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and on the back of the seat, slim pockets for extra storage. There's a clip, as well as a seat belt minder. LED tail lights, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.